I have a door opening next to my corridor, between the bedrooms and the corridor, and I got this curtain. It has all the things that I need, even like the bar to hang the curtain. I got it in gray color. Comes with all the accessories that you need to hang it, the manual, the curtain itself, and this is the bar. So let's do it. This is the curtain at the door. But what it needs right now is to install the magnetic buckles, and this will help keep it in place. So we will put it here, and we will install the corresponding magnet on the wall so that we can keep this all the way to the wall. Let's do it. And here is the final look with all the magnets installed, as you will see. And then you close them. They just like magnet back in place seamlessly. Look at this. It's super easy. It just like closes, latches. Also on the other side, and it just latches. And down here, it latches to hold it in place. It looks really nice, and it solved the problem of having this little opening to connect between the living room and the bedrooms inside, the restroom and the bedroom, and you know, everything in here. So we have like a resolved problem in a very elegant and nice way. And super simple, super easy. Beautiful. The material is really nice. It comes in many different colors to match your taste, your color room. And here you go. There you go. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.